How to delete Botim message for everyone. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Botim app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on Chats at the bottom. Here, click on the chat you want to delete. Then hold on to the message you want to delete for everyone. After you hold on to the message, click on Delete. Then press on the trash bin icon at the bottom right. Here, click on Delete for everyone. After you click on Delete for everyone, the message will be deleted for everyone. This is how to delete Botim message for everyone. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.